In this video, I will share with you the top 3 best saucepans of 2024. Number 1. All-Clad D3 3-ply stainless steel saucepan. The All-Clad D3 boasts a classic 3-ply clad construction. This means layers of stainless steel sandwich and aluminum core, promoting even heat distribution and exceptional responsiveness to temperature changes. Perfect for searing or simmering, it ensures consistent cooking throughout. My experience. Living up to its reputation, the All-Clad D3 heated quickly and evenly. Delicate sauces maintained a gentle simmer, while searing steaks resulted in a beautiful crust with a juicy interior. The stainless steel construction makes it incredibly durable and easy to clean. However, the hefty price tag and lack of non-stick capabilities might deter some home cooks. Number 2. Tramontina covered tri-ply clad saucepan. For those seeking excellent value, the Tramontina covered tri-ply clad saucepan shines. Mimicking the All-Clad's 3-ply construction at a significantly lower price point, it offers impressive heat distribution and performance. The included lid fits snugly, preventing messy spills during boiling or simmering. My experience, the Tramontina performed admirably for everyday tasks. It boiled water efficiently, cooked rice evenly, and held a steady simmer for sauces. While not quite as responsive as the All-Clad, the price difference is undeniable. However, the handle did get warm during extended cooking, so oven mitts are a must. Number 3. Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Saucepan. Le Creuset's enameled cast iron signature saucepan is a beauty and a beast. The cast iron construction delivers exceptional heat retention, perfect for slow cooking and braising. The enamel coating makes cleaning a breeze and adds a touch of French flair to your kitchen. My experience, the Le Creuset excelled at slow-cooked dishes. It browned stew meat beautifully and simmered creamy sauces to perfection. The heat retention kept food warm for extended periods, making it ideal for serving at the table. However, its weight makes it less maneuverable, and cast iron requires a bit more TLC when it comes to preheating and cooling.